If you want to turn off Find My iPhone, whether it's grayed out or you're just getting ready to trade in your iPhone or sell it, I'll walk you through those exact steps. It just takes a couple minutes. So let's hop out of here and open up the Settings app on your iPhone. The first thing you're going to do is tap on your name at the top. And you can see towards the bottom is Find My. However, in my case, it's grayed out. If yours is grayed out, it's in one of two places that we need to change those settings so that we can turn it off. Tap the back arrow at the top left and scroll down towards the bottom. Choose Screen Time towards the bottom, and then again scroll down and choose Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now from here, all you need to do is toggle Content and Privacy Restrictions off. Keep in mind you might need to enter in a screen time passcode, so let me just do that real quick. The next thing you're going to do is tap the back arrow again, and choose Face ID and passcode. Enter in the passcode you use to unlock your phone, scroll to the bottom, and if you have stolen device protection turned on, you'll want to turn this off, essentially allowing you to disable Find My. Now I'll show you how to turn it off. So go back to the beginning here by tapping the back arrow and scrolling to the top. Tap on your name at the top, and then finally tap on Find My. From here, you can see Find My iPhone is turned on. All I need to do is toggle this off. Keep in mind, it will ask you for your Apple account password, so you can always just tap on the passwords option there to autofill your Apple account password and disable Find My. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.